how to create an Instagram username, or if you already have an Instagram username, how you can change that username. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create an Instagram username, or if you already have an Instagram username, how you going to change that one. So first of all, you need to open your Play Store on your Android devices, or you can go to your App Store on your iOS devices. The reason I want you to go to your Play Store, that you need to search Instagram there, and you need to be sure that your Instagram application has been updated. As you can see, my application is already been updated, so I will just tap on open the application. So guys, once you open your Instagram application, you need to tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on your profile picture, you will come to your profile page, and here, as you can see, just above my profile picture, you can see my username. So if I already have a username and I want to change it, how I am going to do it, or if you cannot see a username here, that means that you don't have any username on your account. So how you can create a new username. So for that purpose, you need to tap on edit profile. Once you tap on your edit profile, you will find your name, and just below your name you can find your username. So if this area is blank, that means that you did not create any username yet. So if you already have one and you want to change it, there is the similar way you can do it. You need to tap on and you need to erase your current username, and then you can type in your new username. And once you're done with that, you need to tap on the arrow at the top, as you can see, and your new username will be saved. But there is a trick. You will be able to change your username back to the previous one for another 14 days. So it will take 14 days if you don't like the new username and you want to switch to the old one again, but it will take 14 days. You need to wait for 14 days and then you can choose the previous one again. So that is a bit tricky if you want to choose a new username. So that should be unique, and the fact is that you need to like it, because if you don't like it, you will need to change it to the previous one, and then you need to wait for 14 days. So this is how it works. Or if you don't have any username, so it's very easy. You need to just tap on the username and you need to type in your new username or the username here. So as you can see, I will try a few username here. As you can see, they say that this one is not available, so I will try this one, and this one is also not available. So as you can see, this one is available. So once it is available, the tick mark at the top right corner will be highlighted, and then you can tap on that one and you can create a new username. And if you want to change your username and you select a new username, then this tick mark will be highlighted as well, and you need to just tap on that one and your username will be changed. So I will not change my username. That's why I'm not tapping on the tick mark at the top right corner, because I like my username. So guys, this is all it takes, that you can change your username or you can create a new username on Instagram. I hope you like the video. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.